Welcome! This notes worksheet represents a very quick introduction to our next unit, specifically the conic sections. I'll provide a very quick overview for you of what we'll be investigating over the next few weeks. And as you can see on your screen, there are 4 conic sections that we'll be taking a look at. The first one will be circle, second ellipse, third parabola, and fourth hyperbola. And as you can see, each of these conic sections is formed through the intersection of a plane and a right circular cone. And depending on the angle at which that plane intersects that circular cone, you get each of these 4 conic sections. There are a variety of geometric properties that we're going to explore over the course of this unit, and then we're also going to see the interplay between the geometry and the algebra. So that leads us into the next screen right here, and it says the equation of these conics can all be written in a particular form, and these are sometimes called quadratic relations. So you can see this big equation right here. It is quadratic in nature. You have your x squared and you have your y squared. But generally speaking, none of these represent functions on the coordinate plane. If I asked you about passing the vertical line test, as you can see, that wouldn't necessarily apply to these particular shapes the way they are formed at this point on the coordinate plane. So they are what are called quadratic relations as opposed to functions. And what's kind of interesting is with this equation right here, very minor fluctuations in the coefficients, specifically the a, b, c, d, e, and f, have major repercussions of forming these conic sections on the coordinate plane. So obviously that will be one of the other big focuses for us as we go through this unit. So again, just the interplay between the geometry and the algebra with these 4 shapes: the circle, the ellipse, the parabola, and the hyperbola. So thanks for listening. You'll go ahead and start it out with the circle. I believe there's just 1 notes worksheet for that, 3 notes worksheets for the ellipse, 3 notes worksheets for the parabola, and 3 notes worksheets for the hyperbola. Great, thanks.